BrainBobble presents 9 ways for couples to rekindle their romance during the holiday season. Are you looking for ways to rekindle the romance with your special someone this holiday season? In this video, I'm going to share 9 creative ideas that will help you and your partner reconnect and enjoy each other's company. 1. Watch a cheesy holiday movie together and make fun of it. If you're looking for a truly unique and wholesome way to reconnect with your significant other, why not try watching an old-school cheesy holiday movie together? It's the kind of activity that can turn an ordinary night into an unforgettable one. Laughing at your favorite cringy scenes and having silly conversations about the characters' motivations is sure to bring back some of the fierce spark that initially connected you. Best of all, cheesy holiday movies make it possible for couples to spend quality time taking a break from the real world in a fun way. There truly is no other bonding event quite like it. Plus, it's something that you can both look forward to year after year. 2. Bake cookies or other festive treats together. Baking cookies or other festive treats with your partner is a great way to spice up the romance in your relationship. It takes on the feel of an adventure, as you two scavenge through your pantry for all the ingredients you need. It's like playing house while still enjoying artisanal treats at the end. Trying out new recipes together gives couples an opportunity to communicate and engage in topics they might not in everyday conversations, maybe even things that are deeper than cookie dough. Plus, everyone knows nothing beats warm gooey chocolate chip cookies off the pan, no matter what's going on between you two. A shared dessert is sure to bring back all those good vibes and make sparks fly. If you're looking for some way to reignite your flame this holiday season, why don't you and yours grab some baking supplies and get busy in the kitchen? Nothing says I love you like a homemade treat. 3. Exchange love notes or send loving texts throughout the day. With the holidays around the corner, now is the perfect time for couples to express how much they care for each other. Writing love notes or sending romantic texts are simple yet meaningful gestures that can make all the difference in a relationship. Taking these small steps helps to keep your connection alive and strong. You'll be surprised at how something so little could mean so much to your partner. Plus, it's a great way to show appreciation and remind them of why you're in love. Furthermore, these little reminders help keep the fire burning all year long. If you want to let your special someone know just how much they mean to you this holiday season, don't hesitate or be too shy. Shoot them a text or write a little love letter to make their day extra special. Now's the time, make your relationship sparkle. 4. Plan an overnight surprise getaway for just the two of you for New Year's Eve. Celebrating New Year's Eve is a wonderful time to reconnect and reignite the spark in your relationship. That being said, why not plan an overnight surprise getaway for just the two of you? Whether it's a secluded beach, a charming bed and breakfast in the countryside, or even a local hotel, it'll be a romantic time for you both to escape from your busy lives for a night and focus on celebrating each other. Take some time to prepare everything ahead of time so that all you have to worry about when the evening comes around is enjoying quality time together and creating lasting memories of this special moment. Plus, this is a great way to kick off the new year with a bang. Indulge in delicious food and fun activities, or just stay up all night talking about your hopes, dreams, and plans for the next year. Whatever it may be, you can rest assured that this will be an unforgettable experience that's sure to bring your relationship closer than ever. 5. Create an at-home spa night with massages and facials. During the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, it's important to take time out to reconnect with that special someone in your life. One way to do this is by creating an at-home spa night, which features massages and facials. Allowing yourselves to luxuriate in the comfort of your own home and setting aside a dedicated night for quality time together is sure to bring you closer. What better way for couples to nurture their connection than by indulging in a relaxing massage or personalized facial that can be tailored specifically to your skin needs? An at-home spa night is an intimate, meaningful way to show your appreciation and strengthen marital bonds during such a busy time of year. Plus, it will be a great way to end the year on a high note. So why not try something different and set aside some time for you and your partner to spoil each other? You won't regret it. 6. Plan a surprise scavenger hunt around your town or city with clues leading to special places. Envision a fun-filled holiday surprise around your town or city, a special scavenger hunt. Take your partner to a series of romantic and significant locations that have been carefully scripted with clues to keep them guessing. You can plan it as an intimate mini adventure, which could end at their favorite spot or with a surprise gift. Make this scavenger hunt extra special by writing heartfelt messages that will take them back to cherished memories. Include all the wonderful things you love about your partner on each clue and use it as a way to connect on a deeper level. This could be a romantic and memorable way to show your appreciation for each other and remind yourselves why you fell in love in the first place. If you want an extra special thing to do as a couple this holiday season, consider planning a surprise scavenger hunt. It'll be an adventure you both will remember for years to come. 7. Make hot cocoa and get cozy on the couch for conversation and laughter. One of the best seasonal activities for couples is making hot cocoa and sitting by the fireplace. It's a great way to stay connected during the holidays and spend some quality time together. You can whisk up a delicious cup of hot cocoa with your favorite ingredients while enjoying some holiday music in the background, then snuggle up on the couch in front of the fireplace. Talk about your hopes and dreams for the upcoming year or just laugh and enjoy each other's company. This is a meaningful way to end the holiday season on a high note and start the new year with all the love in your hearts. Don't let this simple activity fool you. It's these simple memories that will fuel your busy lives and strengthen your bond. Go ahead and get this special hot cocoa date on your schedule so you can enjoy a cozy night with the one you love. It's sure to be an unforgettable experience. 8. Have an indoor picnic with homemade food and drinks. With the holidays comes colder temperatures and days spent snuggled up indoors away from family. But that doesn't mean you can't find ways to stay connected as a couple even if celebrating outdoors isn't an option. An indoor holiday picnic with homemade food and drinks is a fun way to make memories and enjoy time spent together. Preparing a spread of your favorite foods and drinks not only gives you the pleasure of creating something together, but it also allows you the leisure to cozy up on the living room floor and eat in intimate comfort. Make it extra special with festive decorations like Christmas lights, garlands, or candles. Turn on some holiday music, pop open your favorite bottle of bubbly, and create some unforgettable moments surrounding yourself with good food and love this holiday season. 9. Visit senior citizens or nursing homes to share some holiday cheer. Visiting senior citizen centers or nursing homes during the holidays to spread some cheer is a special way of showing your appreciation and celebrating your elders in more ways than one. Not only does it remind us how appreciative we should be for our blessings, but it also gives us an opportunity to pause the crazy holiday season and reflect on all those who have come before us, making it possible for us to be where we are. Plus, time spent engaging with seniors in conversation can be incredibly illuminating. Getting them to share stories of their past will connect you with history in ways you never thought possible. They often serve as living history books with so many interesting anecdotes and lessons achieved from collective experiences. And, guess what? This is another simple way to keep you grounded and connected as a couple throughout the holiday season. Make sure to take the time out of your busy schedules and spend quality moments with each other. Whether it's making hot cocoa by the fire, having an indoor picnic, or visiting a senior center, make sure you use these special occasions as opportunities to strengthen your bond and make unforgettable memories together. So go ahead, put on some festive music and start planning for all those little things that will bring joy this holiday season. And for more romance tips and luscious food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.